In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Roblox Studio on your Android phone. So if you go to Play Store, you're not going to find the Roblox Studio app. But what you could do is go to your browser. So I'm going to Chrome browser, and then going to search, and then I'm going to search Roblox Studio. So you see Roblox Creator Hub, click on it. Then here what you want to do is you want to log in. So you can see here I'm already logged in. So log in, your profile picture should show up, and then click at the top three buttons and then scroll down. You're going to see add to home screen, so you can click add to home screen, and then now you can click install. So we're going to install the Roblox Studio app here. So click install, and then just give it a few seconds here. Now it says here installed, so we're just going to click on it, click on the app, and now you can see here the app we have installed. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.